For the first question, they ask us to read the data from the CSV file. So we are using this function from pandas to read the CSV file. Second, we are asked to calculate the missing values, percentage of the missing values. So we are using the isNull to find the null values. We are adding them up and we are dividing it with the length of the data frame, and then we are multiplying with 100 to get the percentage values. And here we are finding the numerical column and the categorical column by using the select underscore data types method, and then we are saving it to a list in order to use it in the upcoming questions. And these variables are created to find the lowest missing and highest missing percentages, which will be used in the next question to find to fill the values. So for third question, they've asked us to replace the missing value with mean for the numerical column. So the condition is the if the value is less than 10 percentage, we have to replace it with the missing value. Mean of the we have to replace the missing value with mean of the particular column. So here we are using the loop and finding the number of columns that has low missing values. So we are using a for loop and an if condition to find it, and then we are using it another for loop and condition to fill in with the missing values, to fill in the missing values with the mean, and then we are using interpolation to using interpolation to fill the nearest method with for the numerical columns. So here um, we are using a for loop and an conditional statements to find the missing values, and then we are replacing it with the isNull and sum. And then for mode imputation, we are finding the missing values and we are replacing it with the highest repetitive value. Here we are dropping using the drop method to drop column with more than 10% of missing values, because it's obvious that it won't be as useful. So because it has a more number of null values. And then here we are finding the Z score, and then we are dropping the column which has a more number of outliers. So here we are using the ABS method to find the Z score. So here we are finding the percentage of duplicate rows with all columns having the same value. So we are comparing two columns with the duplicate method, and then we are finding the percentage of it. And then we are min-maxing normalization uh, using the by creating a minimum age and a maximum age, and then we are normalizing it with the min and max methods, and then we are printing it as such. Here we are using the scatter plot from PLT library, and then we are plotting with the appropriate column name.